Oh my goodness, friends, what do we have here? Don't ask me why I'm using a country accent. I don't know. What is this guy? This is a Chupacabra. I thought he would be fun for this little holiday, Halloween coming up. Let's go make him. My friends, we're going to use this Laura Art Corner brown sugar dahlia. And look how yummy. Don't eat it. How yummy does that look? We are going to use this to color our Chupacabra. And kind of wiping down the blades here of the little mixer. This guy here. Trying to not waste any of that resin, get it into my cup, and helps with that cleanup of the mixing paddle. Just make sure you don't hit any buttons that would make it start to turn back on you, because that wouldn't be great. Alrighty. Now I'm just going to give it a little wipe down here. And I could actually just not wipe it down as well. I could just let it hang out and drip all the way down onto this little silicone mat. That could catch it, or I could just have it drip into a spare cup laying around. You could save all those pieces that cure up. Just a filler for larger resin pieces. But we got that guy done. We shall bring our resin here, move my mixer off to the side, and I think I'm gonna actually try to make sure to get my fingers clean. No resin on them for when I touch my phone. I'm not getting resin on my phone. And we're gonna bring it in. There we go. I was a bit close in there. So this is just my paper towel right here. We still have to give it a mix, making sure we get those edges scraped down. Because while that mixer is awesome, it doesn't get the sides or the bottom. So you want to make sure that you get that after it goes off. And get it all stirred back up in there. Because you can see I've got streaks still in there. You want to make sure your resin is not streaky. If it's streaky, it's not fully mixed. And that can affect the curing of your resin. So you always want to make sure you get it wiped down on those edges, scraped in, and on the bottom. And then once you get it stirred up and no more streaks, you're ready to go. You can put it in your debubbler, you can let it degas on its own for like 5 minutes. Or if you don't care about bubbles, you can go ahead and start to use it once all those streaks are gone. And now I don't think I see any streaks. I'm going to run it through my debubbler right quick. I did heat it up to about 95 degrees for a few minutes to make it better, to make it thinner, so it won't hold on to these bubbles as much. We'll be right back. Alright, it is time to add our resin, or our mica. Again, it's the brown sugar dahlia from Laura's Art Corner. And we'll start with that and see where that gets us. Chupacabra, legend, lore, started in the southern region of North America. I guess it was seen, what is it, around 1955 in Puerto Rico. Supposedly, no one has any pictures. They described it as a giant reptilian kangaroo-shaped kind of thing. And the word comes from bloodsuck, the chupra. Kaba was goat, a blood-sucking goat, or sucking the blood from goats. As farmers were saying that there was some beast that was taking their livestock and draining them of their blood. Then some people say, no, these people just watched recent horror movies and making up stories. Who knows? But I've seen pictures that they look dog-like. I've seen that they just look weird monster, upright reptilian with ears and pointy teeth. So some say it's reptilian covered, some say it's fur covered. And I think we shall be... I want a little hint more. I did have it in my debubbler for about 9 minutes. Alright. I'll pour her away. And hope that this little kind of 2 ounces will be enough. And I think it will. Yeah. I'll do a little over pour right there. That's all right by me. And then we'll find something here, some other little molds to shove the color in. We'll be back on demold.
Hey, 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 it is unmolding time of our Chupacabra. He got him cured up pretty quickly because I had him on a heat mat. Let's check this little guy out. Come on, little teeth. Get on out of there. And there's our little Chupacabra. Not sure, I may add some little marker detail to him. Finish him up, he's still a little soft. But yeah, there he is. I want to shout out a big thank you to everyone that watches my channel, and if you could watch my videos to the end, that's even extra more helpful for me. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please check it out, or please subscribe. It is free for you, and just boop the subscribe button. Watching my videos is what really helps push the algorithm out to continue to show my videos to people. And this guy stands up on his own like that. If you are so inclined, I have an Amazon wish list and a Buy Me a Coffee linked in my description below, or the Buy Me a Coffee QR code pops up on the screen. Anything given through those methods actually comes right back into the channel to making all these projects. Buy Me a Coffee goes to buying resin, buying micas, DTF, decals, molds, all the fun stuff that goes into making resin pieces. UV resin, resincrite, bond crafter, casting compound, magic pour, any of that stuff. Don't worry about if you can't. Not a problem at all. It's not mandatory or anything. It's just if you want to help support the channel any further than subscribing or watching. But subscribing and watching are what drive YouTube and the algorithms. So yeah, if you can watch the channel all the way through, that'd be really helpful. Or excuse me, watch videos all the way through to the end, that'd be really helpful. Instead of fast forwarding, there is an option you can go into your setting and change the speed, so you can just speed up the video so it moves faster, but you're still going through the whole video, and that's a lot more helpful than fast forwarding through a video as well. But again, thanks everybody who watches. I really appreciate you. Stay tuned for the little beauty shots of this guy. Bye.